Hello everybody and welcome to another Minecraft tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy carrot farm in Minecraft. So this is what it will look like. Now looks very weird, but so far it is working fairly well. The villager is, whoops, that's not the one I meant to break. No! Okay, there we go. Here. Whoopsies. But the villager is farming, as you can see, and how this works is he's a farmer, and there's all this, and he can't get in the water because the trapdoor there. But this block is a light level 7, which means a carrot cannot be planted on it, and he will farm all this and get like 4 times the potatoes, and then all those potatoes will be wasted on this block. And that block will never get anything, which is sad. So the villager will never accomplish his goal. But all the carrots will be filled up right there. And it will be quite the lot of carrots. So, these are the materials, that you will need to make this farm. You'll need about 5 stacks of any blocks. I used cobblestone. A villager. Hopper with a minecart. Rail. 4 glowstone, 12 trapdoors, not spruce. It can be anything. 2 stacks and 29 dirt. 2 stacks and 29 carrots. 2 water buckets to make an infinite water source. 2 chests, 1 composter, 6 white beds, 1 hoe, and supposed to be 6 doors. Door. There we go. That was odd. I thought I put 6 in there. But so this is what we're going to be building. So let's get into it. We're gonna want to go 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th we might want to get all of our dirt out. So then we're gonna do a dirt. We can break this down, and then we're gonna want to go make it a square, like so, and expand it over a lot. Once you have built your 13 by 13 square, you're going to want to find the middle block and maybe mark it, and then you're going to want to make a square around it, a 9 by 9, and break each of these blocks and put a piece of cobblestone under it, and you're then going to want to water all this up so that all of this is, like that. Then going to want to mark all of the land that you have, like so, and we will eventually put the water in after all of this is marked. So go do that now. Now that you have marked them, the edges should be about going away from the thing. So you're going to want to go from on the edge and go 1 in, and that's where you're going to want to place a block on all corners. And then this is where another water source thing will be. So right there. Whoops, wrong place. Right there, and right here. There. So that is what they will look like after that step, but then you're going to go under it and go leave 1 gap and then put another thing on all sides once again, like so. And this is basically what your all your water spots will look like once you have filled all this in. So that's that filled up, and now we're probably going to want to be placing down our carrots. So we're gonna maybe want to fill all this in and then start placing our carrots down. Now that we have planted all of our carrots, we're going to want to break the middle one and leave it like this. We're then going to want to probably go down into the water and get our 12 trapdoors and use this and place all of the trapdoors above the water so that the villager does not fall in, because the villager has a tendency to fall into the water and then he cannot get out, or he can. Now that we have placed all of our trapdoors, we're going to want to go 2 blocks up, and we're going so that it's like this. I'm going to want to fill all of this in. Now that we have placed down our big square, we're going to want to go inside. We're going to want to find the middle block and go over one and then the second as a diagonal angle and build up one. We're going to want to do this on all sides. So 1, 2, pop, and 1, 2, pop. So now that we're doing that, we're going to want to put a block on the side of each, and then that's where we're going to want to place our 4 glowstone. 1, 2, 3, 4. All done. Now that we have it like this, we're going to need to build our barrier like so that the villager cannot escape, and all the carrots don't have light level. The middle carrot does not have enough light level to grow. Now that we have made the wall all around this, we're going to want to put our villager in, and then we're going to want to put our composter in one of the corners. He will now become that and this. So this is not done yet. We need to check the seat. This is 6 for the sky at the left, 6 for the sky, and 7 for the block. Now we want this to be both of them have 7. So what we're going to want to do is go on this. We're going to want to build a little square around this. We're going to want to fill this up and make it 3 blocks tall. Now that we have built our big cube on the top, now the block thinks that it's light level 7. So we're going to want to go place down our chest. You're going to get our rail, going to get our minecart with a hopper and our hopper. So we're going to want to place down our chests, double chest. Then going to want to place a block, a hopper. Going to put a rail on top of it. If I can do this. Yep, and then we're going to put a minecart with a hopper. Now that is a carrot farm in Minecraft. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!